Cartoonize your photos in Canva. It's easy and simple to use. Now, if you're editing on Canva and you want to put a little twist on your photo, there's a new feature called Cartoonify on Canva where you can go ahead and edit a photo with a single click. Now to do this, you need to have a photo uploaded on the canvas right here. In my case, I'll just go ahead and find a random stock footage on Canva. Now right after choosing your photo, you can just go ahead and navigate through apps, and inside the apps, you simply want to search for cartoon. You want to go ahead and click on this option right here, which is Cartoonify, and inside you want to click on the Cartoonify option. From here, click on open, and inside it will then go ahead and download the application through our Canva. You want to go ahead and click on your element. In our case, it's going to be this photo right here. I'll just go ahead and copy this photo as a reference, and right after clicking your element or photo, you can just click on the Cartoonify and replace. This will go ahead and edit our photo with a single click of a button, and after loading in, you will now go ahead and cartoonize your photo in Canva. And so guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.